Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra has been an essential part of my daily routine. I have a demanding training schedule and I rely on precise data to optimize my workouts. I always like to know my heart rate, my distance, my time, and the watch provides me that accurate information. And the watch has this cool feature where you can compare your current workouts to your previous performances. And the watch keeps me super productive. I put my daily calendar in the app and it sends me reminders. It's my own personal organizer on my wrist. Every morning I like to check my energy score. It calculates your physical readiness based on what you did yesterday and how you slept last night. This is helpful because it helps determine how much I can push in my next training session. Not only that, this watch is incredibly durable. It's made of space-gray titanium. Another feature I love is the quick button. You can customize it. I have it set to start, pause, and end my workouts. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra has made an impact in my training and my everyday routine.
The Oura Ring 4 is a perfect combination of modern tech meets personalized health. My lifestyle is a combination of functional training, nutrition, and recovery. This ring has been a game changer for me with its data and metrics to help me go to the next level. There are 3 key metrics that I look at every single day with this ring. Number 1, my sleep. It tells me how I'm going to perform this day and if I need to recover more. Number 2 is my readiness score. It tells me what's happened during the week, what's happened the days before, and what your day's going to look like. And third is going to be my activity. They come in sizes 4 to 15, and here's what's awesome. Their sizing kit makes it feel like a personalized experience, even though you're doing something online. The Oura Ring 4 has a titanium design with recessed sensors, making it super comfortable to wear. The ring is powered by smart sensing. It adapts to your physiology to deliver accurate data. So one of the coolest things about this was the app. It's easy to understand, it notifies you, and it gives you all the metrics that you really need to be looking at. I recommend the Oura Ring 4 for anybody taking a proactive, holistic approach to their health.
With superior sound quality and a secure fit, the Shokz OpenRun Pro 2s are my go-to headphones. I train triathletes and I've been working out my entire life. I swim, I bike, I run, I work out in the gym, and having solid equipment for my workouts is essential. The audio sounds great, and with this open-ear design, you can hear the world around you. When I'm running, I want to hear if there are cars coming, if there are bicyclists, and because these sit outside the ear, they're so much more comfortable. They're not plugging up your ears, they're just sitting outside. You know, I've lost probably 6 or 7 pairs of earbuds. They pop out, I step on them, crush them, and I've also lost earbuds while traveling. And these things cost a lot of money. The OpenRun Pro 2s completely solve this problem because of this over-the-ear design and this flexible frame that goes around the back. They're so easy to use right out of the box. The forward and back for song changing, the up and down for volume control. The design is simple and very easy to understand. Shokz OpenRun Pro 2s give you excellent sound in a comfortable device.
The Buttermilk and Vanilla Kodiak Toaster Waffles are a convenient snack for people on the go, like me, who want something healthy. Whether it be after a workout or in between sessions, this is a quick and delicious treat. I love them because they're very easy to make. They have 12 grams of protein, they're macro-friendly, and they're made with 100% whole grains. That allows me to recover faster and perform my best every day. Waffles aren't just for the morning, they make a great snack. Whenever I have a craving, I want something that's gonna sit a little heavier in my stomach, but also be better for me. These waffles pop out of your toaster and call your name. Crunchy, warm, and soft on the inside. As a fitness professional and as a coach, I need to have options that are gonna fuel me properly, but also options to give to my clients so that they can be their best every day. Also, it's great that I have an option for my son, who enjoys breakfast foods just as much as I do.
Kochava Super Blend has all the essential nutrients for your body and mind. I'm Dr. Kathy Xides, Doctor of Clinical Nutrition. With Kochava Super Blend, you're looking at your vitamins and minerals, your essential fatty acids to support your cognitive function, probiotics to help the diversity of the microbiome, which also helps you digest your foods and absorb nutrients and support hormone balance, antioxidants, and adaptogens. And because this product has so many of those nutrients, this can help with cravings, energy, and also help with healthy sugar balance. I meet with patients very early in the morning, so I'm able to make one of these shakes, and it keeps my energy levels strong while I'm meeting with patients. Kochava Super Blend blends so nicely so it doesn't have that chalky texture. There's many flavors that Kachava has, but vanilla is always my favorite flavor. The Kachava Super Blend is a perfect complement to your active lifestyle.
The Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair has become a staple in my routine. As a track coach, I'm always on my feet. I'm either working out or pacing around the track all day, and so often at the end of the day, my feet are tired. And this foot repair has been both nourishing and relaxing. It can take dry, cracked feet and transform them. This formula is triple action. It can moisturize, exfoliate, and smooth. Regular foot creams don't exfoliate, so that's what makes this formula special. I really did see visible results in just one day. When I wake up in the morning, my feet are noticeably softer, and I love that it's under $10. So this product is good for anyone who has cracks on their feet or a rough feeling on your feet, wake up in the morning and all that's gone. If you're someone who wants softer feet, you gotta try Kerasal Intensive Foot Repair.